In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups in Google Workspace. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Admin Console. Once you're there, sign in with an administrator account for your Google Workspace organization. You'll need admin level access for this process, since standard user accounts usually won't have permission to create or manage groups. After you've signed in, you'll land on the Admin Console dashboard. From here, go to Directory and then select Groups. This is the section where you can view existing groups in your organization and create new ones when needed. If your organization uses groups for team communication, permissions, or shared inboxes, this is where everything is managed. Next, click the Create Group button. This opens the group creation form where you'll enter the core details for the new group. Take a moment here because choosing the right setup from the beginning can save time later. Start by entering a group name. Make sure it clearly reflects the purpose of the group so it's easy for everyone in your organization to recognize. Then add the group email address which members can use to send messages to the entire group. You can also include a short description if you want to give more context about what the group is for. Descriptions can be especially helpful when your organization has many groups and you want to keep things organized. Once the basic information is in place, review the available group settings. This is where you decide how the group should function. You can choose who is allowed to join the group, who can post messages, who can view conversations, and who can manage members. These settings should match the group's purpose and your organization's communication preferences. After that, click Add Members. Search for the users you want to include from your organization and select them. As you add people, you can assign roles if needed. For example, you might set someone as a member, manager, or owner, depending on how much control they should have within the group. When everything has been added, review the information carefully, double-check the name, email address, settings, and member roles to make sure everything looks right. Then click Create Group to finalize the setup. Once the group has been created, return to the groups list and locate your new group. Open it and confirm that the settings and members were added correctly. If anything needs to be updated, you can manage the group at any time from the same group section by editing settings, adding or removing members, or adjusting permissions. In most cases, changes are applied automatically. And that's how to create groups in Google Workspace.